Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we will continue for building this Navbar item. So here we have built this logo items here. So we'll see now here we have done somewhat. So next what we'll do, we'll bind this search icon. You can see the picard here. So you can see here next it is a search bar is there. Search bar login menus and all that. First we will go with search bar. So for that, before going to that, just we will clean up this code. Under this merge is there, this logo section. This R logo section, I think we can move to one more file, one more folder or file. What you can say here, logo section.tsx. Okay. Now what I do, this logo section under whatever we have, I'm going to cut and paste it there, and just this is for just we are going to cleaning the code, nothing else. So what we'll do here, just one function, we will add it here, logo section. We need to add one of the constant. The constant is saying logo section. Okay, that is a functional component. I'm going to use function, and before that I'm going to export default logo section. Here return whatever we are going to do, we are copy or cut it from here and directly move it to under this line. Now the classes and other stuff we need to import first images from Next/image. Perfect. Now so now that image is imported, next what we'll do, image is imported. Next we will import link from Next/link. Other step classes is not there. That is where we need to import classes from. Okay, now it is perfectly done this. Next what we need to do, here you can come to Navbar index. Here you can use that section directly. Now save this all. It's look cleaner now. Here you can see the output. Still it is same. We will stop in this video here because it is going very lengthy video. So next video we will again continue to build the next items. Okay. Thank you.